At Hammerdog Games, we believe that DMs and GMs should have the best tools at their fingertips. That's why we invented the world's greatest screen! Trademark. For over 10 years, we've been trying to improve our master design, but we always fail. And do you know why? Because we've discovered that the world's greatest screen, trademark, can only be improved by you. I mean, look at this baby. Ivan, wrong baby. 4 panels, 8 pockets, 2 orientations, 9 colors to choose from. It's a masterpiece! But now, we want to give you some tools to make it even better. Introducing the Build-A-Screen Workshop, featuring the world's greatest inserts. Trademark. Ivan, are you sure this is the right script? Why do I keep reading the word trade? Here's how it works. First, you choose your orientation. Then, you choose your color. Add some of our inserts to make a screen that is suited to your next game session. Or, use a binder to add a lot of our inserts, making a screen that changes to your gaming needs. Magnetize some panels, if you dare. Add your own stuff to the inside. Customize the outside. Go nuts! What, cats? Seriously? Cats. Okay, look, dogs are better, but... Oh, okay, I'm not gonna fight that. Just remember, don't stop until you create the screen that you want. Because after all, the world's greatest screen is the one you customize yourself.